Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 4th, and this is my PM recap of the most popular pairs, which is the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold. So we're going to look at them on the 1 hour time frame real quick. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner or at the end of the video. If you'd like to get access to my website membership, it's fxpipcollector.com, and you get all the benefits listed below and more. So anyways, yeah, boy, big strong day. Yo, dollar is still cranking up. Now, this Fibonacci I have on here is the higher time frame Fibonacci, the daily time frame Fib level. And I wanted to put this on here because we are closing so hard above the 78% that I think we are probably, as long as this move holds, we're probably gonna be able to confirm the higher time frame weekly turn to the upside, which is great news because that's gonna give us a direction for potentially the next several months on the dollar pairs. But anyways, this morning I was talking about, okay, well, this looks like a perfect five waves up. And I said, if this turns down and breaks structure, I would start looking for shorts. Did it ever turn down and break structure? We had a very impulsive move to the downside. And as that was happening, it was very tempting to take a short on the euro or the pound because they were very strong down. But did it ever break structure? Definitely not. Instead, it made another higher low. It just kept on going up. That's why the trend is so importantly your friend, because of situations like this. I would definitely still be looking for longs in an uptrend right now at the end of pullbacks. Moving on to the pound dollar. Now, the pound dollar could possibly still be a wave 5. The 61% is a target for wave 5. But this red Fibonacci levels, these are the higher time frame, daily time frame Fibonacci levels, just like on the euro dollar. The fact that we're closing so hard above the 78% tells me that we probably do have those higher time frame turns, which is great news. Which means that this may not even be a wave 5. This may just be a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. So this morning, just like on the euro dollar, I was saying in my morning video, if this goes down, if it breaks structure, I would start looking for shorts. What happened? It went down, it made a higher low, and just kept on going up. It's so important to realize that the trend is your friend. You don't really have the end of a trend until you get a nice break of structure on a time frame where you see the five-wave trend or the series of higher highs, higher lows best. Euro dollar and pound dollar are moving big time tonight too. And we have a Trump speech this evening too, so definitely be careful of that. It's 2 o'clock in the morning for me, so I'm not going to be around for it, but definitely watch out for that. Now moving on to gold. Now gold did make a pretty decent move up, but we are actually turning down a little bit on gold. So what I have now is I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up until we go down and break some sort of significant structure, which we definitely have it on at least like the 3-4 hour time frame, I would say that this move down is likely just another correction to the uptrend. So be careful with assuming that gold is going down. We possibly might even be going up overall on the daily time frame if this really is an expanding wave C right here that ended. This easily could just be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. If it breaks that, series of higher highs, higher lows, especially on like the 4 hour time frame, then you could definitely justify going short or looking for shorts on a higher time frame turn or a higher time frame basis, that is. But unless you're scalping, I definitely wouldn't recommend shorts. I would definitely still be recommending longs in an uptrend. If it does something like this, like 3 waves down and then 5 waves up and then respects a fib level and then turns back down, then I could say maybe to look for shorts. But as of right now, very, very, very bullish for sure. So anyways, thank you for watching, and as always, have a good night.